باب قول النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أنا أعلمكم بالله. Chapter. The statement of the Prophet, peace be upon him. I know Allah Ta'ala better than all of you do. حدثنا محمد بن سلام قال أخبرنا عبدة عن هشام عن أبيه عن عائشة قالت كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا أمرهم من الأعمال بما يطيقون قالوا إنا لسنا كهيئتك يا رسول الله إن الله قد غفر لك ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر فيغضب حتى يعرف الغضب في وجهه ثم يقول إن أتقاكم وأعلمكم بالله أنا. Narrated Aisha. Whenever Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do, according to their strength and endurance. They said, O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, we are not like you. Allah has forgiven your past and future sins. So Allah's apostle became angry, and it was apparent on his face. He said, I am the most Allah-fearing, and know Allah better than all of you do. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 14 narrations from Aisha radiyallahu anha. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.